Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. So, today I'm here to share three tricks with you that are really going to help you to improve your English. And the main thing is you do not need any partner, any teacher, or anyone else who could help you or guide you. Right? You yourself are going to improve a lot, and believe me, within few months you will be able to speak fluently, because I've not listed out these things from somewhere else, but this is my own experience that I'm sharing with you. Right? So what are these three tricks? I'm very excited. Trick number 1: create English environment. English environment, there is no one with whom I can communicate with. So how can I create English environment? Don't worry, you do not need anyone with whom you could discuss or communicate in English. Right? You yourself can do that. How? There are some things that you have to add in your daily routine. What are these things? Number 1, read English newspaper. Replace your newspaper with English newspaper only. Right? Initially you will find it very boring and difficult, but slowly and gradually you will find it interesting and the things will be very clear to you. Right? Second thing, you have to watch English news daily, because this video is only for them, those who are working and they could not give extra time to improve their English because they do not have time. Right? So I also understand that, so I have taken the things that you could do. So you have to go, you have to watch English channel, in English news channel, when you are getting ready for your office or you are taking your breakfast. Only 5 minutes you have to do that. Right? Now next thing what you have to do while walking to the office or while taking while traveling, just give some instruction to your mind, train your mind. How? Give your mind some words, like you could say ki think any words that end with shun, so your mind will start thinking tradition, vacation, communication, tension. Right? So think as many words as you could, then reach office, do your work. Do not discuss anything with anybody, and do not try to communicate with anybody initially, because initially you will not be able to do that, and that can, if you will try, so that can lose your confidence. So don't do that initially. Slowly and gradually you could start that. Right? After coming back from the office, take rest, take proper lunch. Then what you have to do, take out half an hour only, and within this half an hour we are going to improve 4 core skills of English, that is reading, writing, speaking and listening, all 4 within half an hour, and really you are going to improve. What you have to do, take out a diary, a pen and your smartphone and sit for half an hour. First of all, take any topic, and just for instance you can take any topic that could relate your daily life. Suppose we have taken the topic of importance of water, and type this topic on Google. Might be everybody is having a smartphone, it is easily available, and then you can read 3-4 articles on importance of water only, same topic, 4-5 articles. Then list out main things that are common in all 4 and write down on a page in your diary, and then read this paragraph and record your voice, and then listen your voice. Right? So this will be very helpful for you, because this activity will improve your 4 core skills. First, you are reading on the Google, that is improving your reading skills. You will learn many new words, and some words will be repeated, so you can easily relate with them. Right? Next, you are writing. Right? Next, you are speaking and recording yourself, and then you are listening. So you do not need anybody else, you yourself is doing all uh, to improve doing work to improve your 4 core skills, right? So now trick number 2 is learn English with social media. Social media, how can social media will help me in learning English? Yes, social media, whether it is WhatsApp, Facebook, Insta or YouTube, all 4 mainly we all are using. So the 4 can improve our English. How? First of all, we'll talk about Facebook, Insta and YouTube, because on these 3 apps you have a lot of free content, free videos. There are many teachers, instructors and influencers that are creating free content for us, like how to improve English, right? And how to say this particular thing in English, how to speak, उधर जाना है कैसे बोलें, सॉरी बोलना हो तो कैसे बोलें. All these things are available on these platforms, so you can follow and subscribe this type of channels, those who are creating free content for us, and then go through the video. When you are waiting for your turn in interview, you are taking rest, you are getting relaxed, anytime when you are having absolutely free time, just go through that videos, and you will find in starting you will find it difficult and dull, but slowly and gradually you will start enjoying. That is the second thing. So before we'll start third trick, let me talk about WhatsApp also. WhatsApp also could improve your English. How? Whatever you are typing on WhatsApp, because usually WhatsApp is used for the chatting with the friends, parents and colleagues. So do not write anything for typing, while on keyboard mic and speak it out, like kindly bring some fresh vegetables for me today, like this. So what will be done, ki whatever you are speaking, that will be typed there, and you could check your pronunciation as well, ki I have spoken something wrong because I have spoken something else and here is something else. So you can check your pronunciation also, and like this you are improving your English, and you do not need anyone, and with whom you are sending the message, that will also be, the person will not be able to understand whether you have typed it or you have spoken it, right? So this is how WhatsApp could help you to improve your English. Now let's talk about third trick that is very much important for you. What is this trick? The trick number 3 is do not translate, because many of us do this thing, we translate complete sentence in our mind and then we threw up this hurriedly. Don't do that. Let me give the example. For an example, you are going to market to buy some fruits and vegetables, and your friend is asking where are you going. So what you are going to do, you are making the sentence in your mind, I'm going to, and then you are going to speak like this, I'm going to market to buy some fresh vegetables and fruits. So the friend will say, what? Don't do that. Break the sentence into parts and then speak slowly, like I'm going to market to buy some fruits and vegetables. So like this you are comfortable in speaking, and the other person is also able to understand what you are saying. So break the big sentences into small pieces, into small phrases, and then speak them out. These tricks are really going to help you out. Thanks for watching.